Alright boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. Joeboy, I think it's first time here on this channel. Cubana, so cool song there. 2 chords only, 1 strumming pattern, and you can do it in 2 different ways, or it's just slight variations there of the same thing. Yeah, anyway, let's start right away. No need for any capo on this one. So the chords will be A minor and E minor. Goes back and forth with these 2 chords. So let's start first with the A minor. It's open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. And the second and final chord is E minor. Open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. Now let's look at the strumming pattern, and that is for E minor here, since that is the first chord, sorry, A minor. So it sounds like this. Okay, so that is down, down, up, clap, down. Down, down, up, clap, down. All right. Down, down, up, clap, down. Down, down, up, clap, down. So I'm gonna do 2 strumming rounds for each chord. So 2 A minors and 2 E minors. You go back and forth like this, okay? So it's A minor, down, down, up, clap, down, 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 up, clap, down, E minor, down, up, clap, down, 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 up, clap, down, A minor, E minor, E minor. Like this. That actually works for the entire song. You can also do a different thing there in the end, because there is a bass going on in the background, like this, okay? So for you to incorporate that bass, it's just enough to hit 1 note, and that is the 3rd hair on the E string. So that means when you play the strumming, you're gonna play down, down, up, clap, and 3rd on E. So instead of just playing 1 down from the chord, as you did in this original strumming pattern we just looked at, you hit 1 down, but you add this 3rd fret on E string. So slowly it will be down, down, up, clap, and 3rd E down. So So that means you're gonna do that for all strumming rounds and for both chords. So with 2 A minors and 2 E minors, it sounds like this. And that is actually it when it comes to this song, Joeboy, Cubana. Good luck with this one, guys. I hope you enjoy it. I did. Hope to see you soon. And play tuned.